Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Tucson Active, stock reference number 5574. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has no damage, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, non-sunroof type, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.